Well, what I'm doing today is I'm replacing the, what is it? TPS, throttle position sensor. It's right here on the side of the heads, the fuel injection. So yeah, all it takes is, can I see it here? Can I see it here? Yeah, see, there's 2 hex bolts, one on the top there, one on the bottom, somewhere there, somewhere here, yeah, somewhere there. But anyhow, I'm replacing that shit. Right here is the old TPS, throttle position sensor. I don't know how to check them to see if they're bad or not. I have no idea. Here's the new one. See, went right there where that little post is coming out. Yeah, that's where that goes. Yeah, right on the side of that. Yep, right there.